Ni2 develops software for service providers. The company was founded in 2003, and we have our roots in the telecom network market. And what we do, and we're bringing this expertise over to the data center market, is that we develop software specifically designed for service providers so that they can manage their infrastructure, as well as manage the whole service lifecycle from customer order to service delivery. What's distinctive about Ni2 is that we have an open technology platform that allows us to model the entire infrastructure. So for a co-location facility, for example, the whole infrastructure, really from the equipment, the physical and the logical level, but as well from the business layer with the services to how businesses are consuming it. So what really it means is that service providers are able to get a really clear end-to-end visibility on their entire operation and actually see all the dependencies between the equipment, again, the physical and the logical, the business layer, the type of services that are being delivered, and which customer are consuming them. Our service providers are able to actually plan capacity from a proactive point. They can build capacity, and from there, they can actually create catalogs of services, and then their sales and business development team are able to actually package those services and go out and sell them. This is a little bit different than getting service orders from different customers and run operations from an ad hoc perspective. The domains of the IT and the facilities are merging, and what's really important is to see the makeup of the different services, right? And the dependencies, the makeup of that in terms of technology. So you cannot see your infrastructure in silos. I think what's very distinctive is you'll find DCIM tools in the data center market, but you'll find them that they've been designed and they're very good at managing the capacity and the complexity behind data centers, especially when it comes to, as we know, power and connectivity and space. But they're doing it to optimize those resources. They're not doing it to optimize the fulfillment of the services, basically because they're enterprise data centers. They're not there to say, okay, we're going to buy a new facility, we're going to buy a new building, and we've put this investment and we need to monetize that, right? It's a different way of doing. We obviously have to take time to understand, first of all, their business, how they're delivering those services. A lot of them sometimes are greenfield and they have nothing in place. We've met service providers who don't necessarily have an inventory management in place, a system in place, or they don't necessarily have a order management system in place. Some of them are looking for trouble ticketing, for example. So we have to sit down and understand what their pain points are and how we can help them streamline their business.